5 years from now, the person sitting next to you may be working with AI every single day. The real question is, can you work better than someone who knows how to use AI?
Today, we're not here to fear the future. We're here to understand it. Because AI isn't coming someday. It's already here.
Okay, guys. I think something is seriously wrong. I just arrived in 2025, and apparently AI has taken almost every job. This used to be the business center of the city. Thousands of people worked here. Now the buildings are basically empty. Even coffee shops don't hire people anymore. Robots make the drinks, AI handles the orders, and nobody seems surprised.
She's saying, apparently the most competitive jobs now are things AI still struggles with. Millions of people are competing for a tiny number of positions.
Even the news isn't made by humans anymore. This entire broadcast is generated by AI in real time.
This guy says he's one of the last human taxi drivers left. People ride with him just for the experience. Wait, I just found something disturbing. The AI systems aren't just doing jobs anymore. They're actually running most of the city's decisions.
I thought AI would help people work faster. I didn't expect it to replace almost everyone. And honestly,
I don't know if this future is amazing or terrifying. Follow me because tomorrow I'm traveling to 2050.
Raise your hand if you believe your job is safe from AI. Now keep that hand up if you're absolutely certain it will still be safe 10 years from now. That's exactly what people thought before computers changed the world, before the internet changed business, and before smartphones changed how we live. The future doesn't wait for permission, and neither will AI.